Ladies and gentlemen, imagine you are lying on your bed, viewing friends' wonderful moments on your phone. Some of them just proudly show their wonderful pictures on holiday, and someone just earned more than $1 million on one business. It seems that they enjoy their life so much and never miss any chances. But you, my dear friend, what you may consider maybe just about 5 more minutes sleeping on the very next morning. To be honest, have you been there before? Don't worry, I won't scan your brain to get the answer. And if you are not alone. According to the data from the WHO mental health, the percentage of anxiety has increased around 2% in the past 10 years. And the main group of the reason is the teenagers, reaching around 40%. So there are so many scientific researches can help you to achieve a happy life. But don't worry, don't leave. I'm not here to give you some university lessons about happiness 101. I'm here just want to share you 3 key factors which is practiced in my life. I hope that can help you in some way. The first one, passion and talent. Based on my own experience, passion and talent are very important for a happy life, and it is changing over time. When I was in middle school, I found my talent is in science. After hard working, I got really good results, and those reinforced my passion in science. So I chose science as my major in my bachelor and my first master's degree in the UK. I'm not just completed the degree, I also achieved honor with merit. But when looking for my first career, I realized compared with working in a lab, doing exam and tests all the time, I prefer to doing making communication with people. So I chose as a consultant in educational international company to help students to study abroad. It seems like my life should continue following this path. But sometimes life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're gonna get. I got admission of studying in education in the UK in the University College London, which is the education QS ranking is the first in the world in the past 14 years. I'm not only achieved honor, it's quite a big challenge for me, but I still achieved honor with merit. You can see I did the science and the education, which I do a lot of focus on that. And now I'm happy to say that I'm the consultant in life insurance. And I found it is the best way to help more people. Based on my own experience, what I really want to say is there is no path and there is no map of life to tell you where you must go. What you can do is just discovering your own path with your passion and talent. Oh, it's tricking me, huh? And the key too is health. Health is very important for our life, both mental and physical. The for the mental health, those is a kind of message from our soul, like emotion. I have to say, many people treat bad emotions as our enemies. We want to push them hard and want to suppress them. But to be honest, it's not very work because when I couldn't finish the ideal grade in my test, I chose to push myself so harsh. But the result is I just letting me be in the sad emotion for a long time. It didn't make me relax. But when I changed the strategy, I found I should treat them as friends to comfort them, to take care of them, and to accept them. Surprise! Compared with making me weaker, those strategies make me strong and more energy. And then, talking after the mental health, physical health is also important for our life. Normally, we're doing some exercise, eat healthy, and doing some regular body exam. But to be honest, what you may now know is that fully prepare for the unforeseen risk. There was a lady. She was around 35. She can earn more than 6-figure salary per year and at her top of her career. But she just noticed she got cancer. Those can really destroy her life and career. You can see the cost of treatment sky high, the lost income terrifying. But guess what? Because a few years ago, she bought insurance to take care of those unforeseen risks. So she not only got money, good enough money to cover the cost of treatment, but also cover the loss of the peer. So this is definitely a tragedy, but the insurance makes the life happier. The third one is the rhythm. Everyone have their own rhythm because different people have the different condition and the circumstance. It's quite easy to say that because we really easy to be lost when we're comparing with others. Whatever is conscious or unconscious. I have been there before. When I switched my career as a consultant in life insurance, I met a lot of challenges. I had to learn many different knowledge from different areas and also had to finish and pass my checkpoint, which is KPI. Definitely, someone is better than me and faster than me. I feel so deep under the pressure. I push myself so hard at work a lot. I worked and worked endless for a long time, even in my dreams. I got some results, but I do know I can't continue like that. So I changed my strategy. I'm happy to see that on my own rhythm, I got really good results. I achieved the honor of top 100 in China, and also I'm did excellent in 2024. Based on my own experience, I really want to say when I saw some people is better than me, I'm not jealous of them anymore. I just feel appreciate and learn from them. And I believe what we should do is just respect them, but follow our own rhythm, respect our own feelings. So it's the end of my speaking. This is my secret. There are just 3 key factors. I really want to those ideas may help you in some way. Thank you.
记得点赞关注哦。